Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your SimpliSafe camera in 2026. So in order to reset it, first of all, you need to make sure that your camera is plugged in and it is powered on. The reset process won't work properly if the device has no power at all. After the power is on, you just have to locate the reset button. So you need to simply press and hold this reset button on your camera. It is usually a small pinhole button which will be located on the back or on the bottom of the device. So you may need a paper clip or pin in order to press it. So when you press it, you just have to hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds until you see the LED lights changing and blinking. So it indicates that the reset process has started. After doing so, you need to open the SimpliSafe application on your phone again, add your camera again, and follow the setup steps in order to connect it to Wi-Fi. Finally, you can check the live feed and make sure that the camera is also working normally. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.